Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Women's Fashion. My dear friends, I hope you are all fine. In this leather video, today I will show you a leather handbags ideas, bucket style leather handbags ideas. My dear friends, let's talk about trendy fashion, about bucket style leather handbags, pocket style leather handbags, genuine leather handbags ideas. My dear friends, leather handbags will change your personality, look gorgeous and great. If you love to follow trendy fashion, about leather handbags will change your personality, look gorgeous and great. If you follow and in shoulder carry, hand carry and much more about clubs, parties, functions, night functions, universities, colleges and much more about all festive and events. My dear friends, if you are a new subscriber on my channel, so make sure do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and get the latest and new daily updates. Share it with your friends and family members and all other social media's contact. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of leather videos do you want to see on my channel. Thank you once again you watching my leather videos from my channel. My dear friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new collection, new ideas, new trendy fashion about genuine leather handbags ideas, bucket style leather handbags. We will be right back with new leather videos and new bucket style leather handbags, genuine leather handbags, designer leather handbags ideas. Thank you once again you watching my leather videos. You like my leather videos and keep supporting me. Till then, thanks for watching. Salam to all of you. Pray with us. Bye bye.